Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today, we're going to be cold starting my brother's S10. This thing will come off. '96 S10. There we go. Of course, we got water in it, usual. Just got a couple of bottles. Just gonna throw over in the yard, why not? I don't know if it's leaking, or if it does leak, I don't know. So here we go. Ain't leaking, ain't leaking, it ain't leaking. Let's go ahead and close the hood here. Alright, I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm sorry about that. Go ahead and put it right here. It's in neutral. Okay, we're gonna have to put that back down. Start rolling here. Alright. Sorry about that. And I think we are good here. Put it in. Put it in reverse here. Coming here. I'll put y'all down the floorboard. Bro. Brake. Alright, it's in neutral. Really don't know what it's doing. Okay. Of course, the power steering's out. Come on, baby. Okay. Well, I don't know what's going on. I guess I'll talk to y'all a little while. Try to upload another video here soon. But until then, stay strong. Make sure you I don't know. I'm tired. Anyway, make sure you guys subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.